everybody. Thanks for checking in at One Night Strands Shears Ahead training and workshops. And it's a little topic I'd like to talk to you about today and share some things with you. I've been in this business over 30 years. And some of the things that I've noticed in this industry is that a lot of the training we're lacking in. And thank goodness that I found a passion. I found that I had a purpose in doing this type of work. But I felt that after I got my license and got out of school and started to go into the commercial work of doing hair, it was a lot of pieces that I didn't really feel like that I knew about, that I understood, that I was strong at, and that really would have helped me progress my business, move me further very quickly. That's why I developed color cutting business workshops. You notice it's not taking long to do. You say time is money. And like I said, for your young designers, this is a really cool technique that I'll show you in our cutting classes. It's just 2 days, people. 2 days just to find out if this is something that you want. This is something that could probably move you along in your career. It's something that probably, if you're artistic, if you love music, all of these artistic things can be put into cosmetology. But you just have to take that step. Come check out one of my classes or take the 2-day classes, and then we can help you understand if this is the right fit for you. Now, information is coming in November 2019, and our workshops are going to be beginning in 2020, and more information is coming soon. So why don't you just click, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.